mushrooms. Ube one.
So just like a very light.
Vowels.
Okay, so for brunch today, I'm going to be making Vietnamese nui soup, which was a comfort meal that I ate growing up. It's actually pretty easy to make. You only need some macaroni, and then for the protein, I'm going to be using ground pork, and then you could use a vegetable of your choice. I'm going to be using celery and some carrots. Some people like to put potatoes in theirs, but I'm not going to put potatoes in mine. And then some green onions for garnish. Okay, so for a snack today, I'm gonna be eating sardines with rice and seaweed. This actually recently became a favorite snack of mine because it's just so easy to put together. You can get this at H-Mart, but it's actually a little bit more expensive at H-Mart. It's cheaper at Marukai or probably any other Japanese grocery store. But yeah, I get this one. Okay, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making enoki beef rolls, but instead of using enoki mushrooms, I'm gonna be using snow white mushrooms because enoki mushrooms are sold out everywhere and there's a shortage. It's fine, but I just hope it tastes similar. But yeah, simple recipe. You're just gonna need some yellow onion, an egg, obviously the mushrooms, and thinly sliced beef. For the sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, honey. Cheers.
Communicate any
More information from
to explain everything to you.
I really like this. It's still good with the snow white mushrooms. Gonna put seaweed and anchovies in this bag. peachy sparkling water. Smells good. Cheers. Okay, so tonight I'm gonna be making pepper rice for dinner.
How you feeling, man? Getting nervous, I'm getting jitters, which is strange.
Why do they backpack?
Marriage?
I start kind of thinking there's
Let's get this party started!
Oh my god, it's hard boiled. Tonight I have spring roll night with my girls. That's gonna be what's for dinner. I might have a snack later if I get hungry in between, but I feel like I won't have time because I have to like prepare and clean. So we'll see. But this is actually making me pretty full already. I'm gonna be having a Buldak noodles for lunch. This is the cream carbonara flavored noodles, and I heard this one isn't as spicy as the other ones. It's not that spicy, but I also just ate like one noodle, and I know it kind of hits you later. I can do it. It's kind of a lot though. I like the Buldak noodles in the cups because it's like a smaller portion. It's like 300 calories, but a whole bag is like 550 calories. And it just makes you really full. Okay, I'm gonna get started on prepping for spring roll night. Everyone's coming around 7, so I'm just gonna get started on peeling the shrimp and deveining it. Oh my god. This is gonna take years. vegetables, we have fish mint, cucumber, and then red leaf lettuce.
This is definitely not ASMR anymore.
No, of course not. You already know. Oh my god, look with me. Wow. Look with me. Cheers!
Oh, patient.
Help in making it sag, right?
I've been single for
30 years. Everyone just hates us. We're ugly. How far away is Kimchi?
chose
How do we
dress, tube top dress. Cheers. Okay, so for tonight, I'm gonna be making easy hot pot because I have so much thinly sliced beef left over from last night. And I'm gonna be using this tomato broth, tomato flavor hot pot seasoning from 𝐷𝐷𝐿. And this is one of my favorite broths from 𝐷𝐷𝐿, by the way. I'm also gonna be adding some jujubes and some mushrooms and then some goji berries. So then it adds more flavor to the broth and it's not as tomatoey. This broth is so good. Oh, it's my favorite. It's like as good as tom yum, in my opinion. Good night.
Also, she said it in a way that was like, is this gonna scare you away if I tell you that you could go to the office?
So I really want to try this new coffee place called La Cafe, a Vietnamese coffee place. I'm not really a coffee person, but I've just been craving something sweet to drink, and I haven't had milk tea in a while, so. And I'm here to pick up 2 drinks for me and my housemate. Alright, I got the Ube one, because it's purple and it's pretty. And my housemate, I got him the regular one, the espresso Hanoi, I think. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's true.
Also, why can't I be a robot? It makes me feel like I'm a good.
So it's whatever I want in my mouth.
Or well,
I don't know how much kimchi you want.
one. If you get better, you so okay. And so it's like. Sounds great. No, it's fine. I like it sometimes I'm like, how do I unmute? No, not actors.
Heaven, priceless, in a single pour.